Let me call you up. You know what's up. You recording what the fuck? What you want me to say, but I'm back. Big K Willie, Panda's Kitchen, Black Edition.
What's up, everybody? Today on Panda's Kitchen we are doing Budae Jjigae, which is Korean army-based stew. Spicy soup with ramen noodles, hot dogs, spam. This dish was created after the Korean War. Korea was war-torn, ravaged, people were starving. All these leftover American military bases had all these canned foods like spam, hot dogs, stuff like that. People scavenged what they could from those army bases and they made a soup out of it. Pretty sad background, like people were starving to death, but it's still a very popular Korean dish to this day. It's a really fast recipe, super customizable. You throw as much stuff as you want, but I'm gonna show you a very basic version today. So we're just gonna get right into it, okay?
Let's go!
Alright, so not a ton of prep here. All you need to do is chop up a couple things, throw it straight in here. Everything happens in one pot. 2 to 3 sticks of green onion. I'm gonna do 3 because I feel bougie. When you use a knife, pinch the knife like this, okay? Don't ever put your index finger on top. If your pressure is uneven and you slip, there's your finger. Goodbye. Straight into the pan. Half a white onion. Now we have 2 to 4 hot dogs. We're using 4 today. We're actually gonna cut them 2 separate ways because we're gonna make it look fancy. We're gonna make it look like we're using 2 different types of sausage, but we're not. First, we'll do diagonal slices. Next, we'll do a little fun, I don't know what to call these, logs. Next, we got spam. It seems scary, it's really not. If you live in Minnesota, it's probably like whatever, but if you eat ham, then you should be okay with spam. We did hot dogs 2 ways, we'll do this 3 ways, so cut it into thirds. We'll do slices first. We'll do strips. Lastly, this one's the most important. You don't have to do the other 2, but this last one you absolutely need to do it. We're gonna ground it in this plastic bag. This is gonna release a lot of flavor, and a lot of the flavor does come from this, so don't skip this step. Otherwise, go ahead and use like Impossible Meat or something. We're gonna make the sauce. You can make it out of the pot or you can make it all in the pot. It's up to you how lazy you wanna be. And I'm not feeling that lazy, so I'm just gonna show you how to do it right here. Half a table of brown sugar. Half a table, did I say that? Half a tablespoon. 2 tablespoons of gochugaru. Gochugaru is Korean chili powder. Or we can do 3 if we're feeling very spicy.
Yes, we are.
Okay, we're feeling very spicy, but start off with 2. Half tablespoon Korean chili paste. Half a tablespoon doenjang. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And add a little bit more soy sauce if it's a little too dry. Yeah?
What should the texture be like, sir?
It should be like a thick paste. So this is what it all looks like. Oh! Kimchi! Can't forget the kimchi, man! 1/3 cup of kimchi. Roughly, 1/3 to half a cup. And make sure you try to use sour kimchi, right? Kimchi that's been in the fridge for at least 1 to 2 weeks. We're gonna take this cup we made the sauce in, put in 3 cups of water, and just dump it straight in. Put this on high, let it come to a boil, and when it does, we're gonna add a cup more water and then start boiling the ramen noodles inside of it. This is boiling. So we've given enough time for all the fat from the Spam and the hot dogs to seep out into the broth. So we're good to go. If you're using ramen noodles, which I highly suggest you use, we'll add 1 more cup of water in here. These are just plain noodles without the packet, but go ahead and just use like a normal pack of ramen. Just don't put in the seasoning. Budae Jjigae is best eaten coming straight from here. You're going to serve yourself just a little bit at a time, eat it with some rice. Give the ramen noodles like 2 to 3 minutes to cook. I like them a little crunchy still, just because over time they will soften up. Let's serve up some rice and get ready to get at her.
So I think it's about time to eat this yummy meal.
Alright, so it's done cooking. I have it on the burner. I'm gonna turn it on low heat, let it light simmer, but keep things hot. What do you want, Big K?
I want everything.
Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of that. I love how red it is, because that just means it's gonna be fire.
Let's go noodles first, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, yes.
Wow, that's good.
Now grab a little bit of the broth or the other stuff, put it on like that.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Yes.
Wow, that is good. That's good. Well done.
Thank you. Spicy?
No, I got a little tickle in my throat. You know? Yeah, I don't need no water, bro. I don't need no water.
I'm gonna get myself some more too.
Lee!
Kata!
Lee!
Kata! No!
Oh,
very good. It's so good, guys. I mean, how would you describe it as someone who's never had any of these flavors before?
Fusion of a lot of different things, you know, like just the fact that you have soup and then you kind of have a little bit of rice too, so it's a different kind of texture when you're eating it. So it's just different, but in a good way.
So me and my boy Karen go back, oh god, 2017, for 4 to 5 years now, and somehow I've never made actual Korean food for him.
But fun fact, the first meal that he ever made me, it involved ramen noodles, and he made that too.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. So we got ramen noodles today.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's highly customizable. Like some people like baked beans in there. I don't really like baked beans, so I didn't do it today. And a slice of American cheese. It sounds weird, but it works as well. We could have put in some dumplings, rice cakes, or
Some dumplings, bro? He got me messed up, man. He told me there ain't gonna be no dumplings in here. Like, what?
I can put them in right now.
Wait for it.
Bro, I'm sweating right now.
I think it can be a little hot, a little more hot. I'm Caribbean, you know what I'm saying? I'm from Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, and in the island, you have a lot of pepper. This is Korea pepper. Where I'm from, habanero pepper, ghost pepper, all the pepper in the world, okay? All by the ocean. So yeah, so it's good. It has a little kick. Next time, you're gonna have a little more spice. Now I'll bring some from the hood for you, you know what I'm saying? What we use there.
I think I'd say this is meant for about 3 to 4 people, but we got some 2 big fellas here.
I wanted to say thank you, Brian, for bringing me on the show. It's an honor eating with you on camera. It's a little weird, a little different, but
I know, right?
yeah, but this is good. You know, the fact that you do this all the time, you know, weekly, good shit.
Thank you so much for watching. We just hit 100 subscribers, so thank you so much for all the support.
Congrats, bro.
Thank you, bro. Let me know what you want to see next. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.
Peace, y'all.